everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I have a different setup. I'm not too sure how this is going to be working. I have some overhead, I have this overhead thing here. And I'm not used to it yet. So this will be the first time I'm using it. Wish me luck. I noticed that it's casting some shadows, so I'm gonna have to deal with this until I can figure out how I get rid of the shadows. But after yesterday's pour with the silhouette, I decided I wanted to try another one. And this time I wanted to use, I wanted to do a swipe with my Shelee art, with all my pigments. Now I had these already mixed up, and what I did was, I don't know, I was trying to think of something different. So I found this paper in my stash. It's quite jazzy, as you can see. So I was thinking I would inlay this into my painting after I did the swipe. So I'm going to put down my pillow paint, my Sherwin-Williams Color to Go, and that's going to be in the satin white. So I'm going to put down my pillow. I'm going to make my swipe starting from about here, and I'm going to flow her hair out, and then I'm going to inlay her in the head, because I cut this out already, as you can see. I cut her out of the paper, and then I'm just going to inlay her in here at some point, and I do believe she'll stick in. I think she'll stick in pretty good, and then I can just pour some, pour some paint over her, or blow some paint over onto it. But you know what? It's always an experiment. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna put down my white pillow, and I'm really not gonna put down a lot of paint, because I'm not going to be blowing off. I'm not going to be spinning this, or I'm going to try not to spin this. And I'm not too sure about the colors that I have here. I know I have some golds, and I have some reds, and a copper possibly. I know they're this little piggies, some of them, and some are color art. So please forgive me for not having the exact colors. These were already mixed up, and possibly some of them have more than one color mixed in. That's probably why I don't have any color marked on there. Sometimes I experiment with more than one color. That's what happens. Just, yeah, so I'm not worried too much about my sides. I can always paint my sides later. So, I'm going to do, I didn't want to put it down there. I think I like it better when I put the, when I do a reverse swipe. So I think I will put down, I'm going to put down on here my cell activator first. And I was thinking of Payne's Gray cell activator. so that's in. You can see that. Part of the way, because then I'm going to put all my colors on there also. So there's my Payne's Gray, and I'm also going to put a copper cell activator in there. Just clean off my stick a little bit. Some down over here at the edge. Oops. Okay, now I'm going to start putting my colors down. I know this is 24 karat gold, extreme sheen, so I do know what that is. In there. And here's where where I'm not too sure. But I know this is probably one of this little piggy colors. I'd be sure of that. And this is a lighter color. Also, I'm thinking this is this little piggy. But it might be a color art, I'm not sure. But we'll see. Well, we won't see. But we'll, it's definitely a pigment. These are all pigments that I have here. And this here could be a cinnamon. It might be cinnamon from this little piggy. Big possibility. Laying them down, just swirling them around. And this here could be Grenache, and it might be mixed with a color art. I'm not too sure. I wanted to put a little red in there too. I thought that would be a little interesting. This last color, I'm not sure at all what this is. But I thought it would be nice to add a little blue in. Sometimes we have a little blue gray in our hairs, in our hair. Okay, now, as I said, I was going to put that face somewhere around here. Here's my swipe starting here and just bring it around. Colors in there are really magnificent. You can actually see a lot when you get down for the close-up here. I might take a little of this paint and fill in. It's a little tougher because of the pigments, and using this over my paints. But I think this is going to work out fine. I just got to clean that up a bit. But it looks pretty cool in there. I'd like to hear what you think about that in the comments below. I will take you in for a close-up. I will figure out what to do with this overhead. I'm not too sure how it worked out. I guess I'm gonna be seeing how it worked when I go through my video. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. Before I come in for the close-up, I am going to clean that up. But please stay safe out there, everyone. Have a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for coming.